Hey y'all, and welcome back. So glad you can join me today. Today we're gonna make a smash burger, but not any kind of smash burger. We're making pizza smash burgers. Now we've done smash burgers here on this channel in the past. We've done taco, the aloha, double bacon. I can't remember all the ones we made. We made several of them. Look in the playlist and down in the description down below, and you'll see. Just search for smash burgers. We have them in there. But we've never done a pizza smash burger. So that's what we're gonna do today. Something kind of basic, very simple, but I believe it's gonna turn out delicious. So I tell you what, let's go ahead and fire this thing up and show you some groceries and get to cooking these things. All right, let's go. I think these 3 burners right here is what we're gonna need. And I'm gonna turn them down to, I don't know, right about medium is where I wanna go with these. So let's talk about these groceries. Of course, to make smash burgers, any kind of hamburger, you gotta have some burger. So let's start here. We got some roughly 4 ounce balls of 80/20 ground chuck, very loosely packed as you see. We have some hamburger buns here, nothing special. We got some sliced mozzarella cheese. Back here we have some pepperoni. Got some homemade garlic butter. To season everything, I'm gonna use this Tutu Italiano by Blackstone. Some really, really good stuff. I love this stuff. And of course we have some pasta sauce. We have some tomato, basil, garlic. Use whatever kind of pasta sauce you like. Just something we like right here. And of course we have our smasher and has some parchment paper. And y'all, that's it. Well, I'm seeing now white smokes. You know what that means? It's time to get some groceries on the griddle. Let's throw down some oil. Throw down a little bit of oil right there. Kind of spread it out just a little bit. Put the burgers on. Man, I love to hear that thing sizzle. So grab your parchment paper and your smasher and get to smashing. So you want to hold these for roughly about a count of 10. It don't have to be exactly 10, just close. And just press down. Make sure you got good contact with the griddle. And pull your paper up. That's what you're looking for right there. Do the other one the same way. And that's what you're looking for right there. Thin patty smashed into that griddle. All right, let's hit these burgers with a little Tutu Italiano. Give them some flavoring. Now, when doing smash burgers, you know, you can use a regular spatula. Don't recommend it, but you can. You want to find you a good wide spatula like this. Finding something with beveled edges, like that right there. Something to get up under that burger so you can get all that sear and that crust and stuff on the burger and not on the griddle. Man, these burgers are smelling good with that Italian seasoning on here. But believe it or not, it is time to flip them. Don't take long at all. So let's go ahead and flip them on over. Get all that crust, there we go. Oh yeah, looking good. Let's hit this side a little more seasoning. Add that mozzarella cheese on here. Oh yeah, got a pretty crust peeking through that cheese right there, and that cheese is gonna melt on down. Now the burgers are flipped, got the cheese on them melting down. We gotta toast our buns with this garlic bread. So put your good coating of garlic butter on this bread, just lay it on the griddle. I can just smell that garlic butter toasting up on this bread. This griddle is smelling good right now. Now, if you need to, you can always grab a dome, cover these burgers up, and you know, kind of melt that cheese down. So let's do that. Squirt just a little bit of water up under there. Have that steam going. It'll melt that cheese right on down. Let's see what that cheese is looking like now. Oh, look at that. Now that's the way you want it right there. And let's see how them buns look. Oh yeah, look at that toast on that. Man, yeah. Uh-oh, gotta chase this one down. Looks good to me. So what I'm gonna do now is go ahead and get my cutting board out, set it on the griddle while that backside of them buns toast up just a little bit. We're gonna start building these pizza burgers. Let's see the toast on here. Oh yeah, good enough, good enough. Let's take them up, y'all. All right, I say it's time to build these burgers. We got the buns up on the cutting board. Let's put the rest of it together. So I think I'm gonna take this, let's see here, make room over here. Put you right there, and I'm gonna put you right there. I think I'll go ahead and put a little pasta sauce on here now. Like I said earlier, use whatever kind you like. I love this basil and garlic tomato sauce. Like that right there. Let's see here. A little more seasoning won't hurt at all. Just kind of top it off. Like that. There we go. I don't know about you, but these are looking good already. They really are. We ain't done with them yet. Let's add a little pepperoni on here. I like pepperoni on my pizza. We'll just come around here and just kind of throw some pepperonis in here. Add as much as you want, as little as you want, however you want. There we go. All right, I think it's time to top them off. There we go. Man, that's a burger. I say I'll plate these things up, take a few thumbnails, and we gotta try one out. And there they are. Simple, to the point, super easy. They smell delicious. I say we cut one in half, check it out and try it out. Let's just go ahead and cut this one in half right here. Now, that's a big old patty on these things. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. Probably could have used a bigger bun, but that's okay. I'm gonna try it out like it is. Now cheese pull. That cheese pull. That is delicious. That. Try a second bite. That is actually very good. Now Tutto Italiano seasoning by Blackstone. It's perfect on this. Use whatever kind of Italian seasoning you have or you prefer. I highly recommend this. This is some really good stuff. But with that mozzarella cheese and then pepperonis and I honestly think some black olives or maybe some mushrooms or something like that would have been really good on these. You can dress these up. I mean, this is just the base of it right here. Take it and run with it. Let me know down below in the comments what you would add to it. Because with pizzas, there's a million of varieties. Let me know what you would put on these to make them yours. I would love to know. But I got to take this other one in and finish up mine and let the kids have at it. They're going to fight over one of them. I might have to cook some more later. Can't never tell. But anyhow, before I leave, if you're still with me, I just want to thank everybody. Thank you for your support, the thumbs up, the watching, the likes, the sharing. If you like our videos, please share them out on social media, on your platforms or whatever you may be on, your Facebook, your Instagrams, your TikToks, whatever. I really appreciate it. I really do. I can't say thank you enough. We're really growing. Some big opportunities are coming along. I can't really say what they are yet because they're not hammered down, but there's some big things coming, so be prepared. And be subscribed. Bring that bell notification because you don't want to miss out on any great things we're doing. Also on our TikToks, our Instagrams, and all that. And if you're looking for any of that stuff, check the description down below. There's a link tree down there. It will take you to all our other great content we have on across all the other social media platforms. We're there also. Would love to have you there with us. With that being said, I got to go. Thank you so much for coming by.